Listen, I don't know what you're doing skulking around during daylight hours, but I don't want any trouble in here. So hit the road.
I'm not looking for any trouble either, sir. I simply want to buy a jumbo pop for my little boy. You want the red or the blue, pal?
Oh, come on, kid, back up. Listen, buddy, what? There aren't any Fox ice cream joints in your part of town?
No, there are. It's just, my boy, this goofy little stinker, he loves all things elephant, wants to be one when he grows up. Is that adorable? Oh. Who the heck am I to crush his little dreams, huh? Right?
Look, you probably can't read Fox, but the sign says, "We reserve the right to refuse service to anyone." So beat it.
You're holding up the line.
Hello? Excuse me.
Hey, you're gonna have to wait your turn like everyone else, meter maid.
Actually, I'm an officer. Just had a quick question. Are your customers aware they're getting snot and mucus with their cookies and cream?
What are you talking about?
Well, I don't want to cause you any trouble, but I believe scooping ice cream with an ungloved trunk is a Class 3 health code violation. Which is kind of a big deal. Of course, I could let you off with a warning if you were to glove those trunks and, I don't know, finish selling this nice dad and his son a... What was it?
A jumbo pop, please.
A jumbo pop.
$15.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, no, are you kidding me? I don't have my wallet. I'd lose my head if it weren't attached to my neck. That's the truth. Oh, boy. I'm sorry, pal. Gotta be about the worst birthday ever. Please don't be mad at me. Thanks anyway.
Keep the change.
Officer.